Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore how to use the Subfinder tool for gathering information on hidden subdomains. Subfinder is a command line tool, and we'll be using it in Kali Linux. To begin, open your browser by clicking the icon in the top left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Subfinder and press enter. You should see the first link pointing to the GitHub repository with a URL like https://github.com/projectdiscovery/subfinder. Click on that link to open the GitHub page. Here, you'll find all the details required to install Subfinder in your Kali Linux system. Scroll down the page, and you'll come across the usage instructions. For example, to get help on commands, you can use Subfinder-h. There are many useful flags available for using the Subfinder tool. For example, -d or -domain string is used to specify a single domain. -d or -list string lets you provide a file containing multiple domains to scan. -s or -sources string is used to specify which data sources the tool should use for subdomain enumeration. To install Subfinder, you first need to make sure that the Go programming language is available on your Kali Linux system. This is typically pre-installed when you update Kali Linux. Let's begin by opening the terminal. Click on the terminal icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Now, type the following command: git clone. Next, go to the GitHub tab in the browser. Scroll up and locate the code button. Click on it, and then click on the copy URL to clipboard icon. Go back to your terminal and paste the URL after the git clone command using Ctrl+Shift+V. Now press enter. If Subfinder is already installed on your system, you'll see a message saying that the Subfinder already exists and is not an empty directory. If not, the repository will start downloading and installing. Once the download is complete, type the following command in your terminal: cd subfinder/v2/cmd/subfinder. Press enter to navigate to the Subfinder directory. Now compile the tool by typing the following command: go build. Press enter. If the Go programming language is not installed on your system, the go build command will not work. In that case, you'll need to install Go first to proceed with using Subfinder. Now type the following command in your terminal: mv subfinder/usr/local/bin. Press enter. You may receive a permission denied error because this action requires administrative privileges. To fix this, press up arrow key to bring up the previous command, and at the start, type sudo. The final command should look like sudo mv subfinder/usr/local/bin. Press enter again. To verify the installation, type subfinder-h. Press enter. Subfinder is now ready to use on your Kali Linux system. Finally, type the clear command to clean up the terminal screen, and press enter. Since Subfinder is a Go-based tool, it's portable. You can run it from any directory on your system. Let's try running it from the home directory. First, type the following command: cd. Press enter. Now you're back in the root of your user folder. To begin discovering subdomains, type subfinder-d google.com. Press enter. Once Subfinder runs, it quickly starts identifying hidden subdomains for the target domain. In this case, it discovered 808 subdomains for google.com in just 3 seconds, 974 milliseconds, which is incredibly fast and efficient. Here you can see several hidden subdomains such as Firebase messaging campaigns.client6.google.com, qa.adz.google.com, and many more. These subdomains are typically hidden and not accessible through regular web browsers. However, they can reveal valuable information during reconnaissance. This is how you can use the Subfinder tool to discover and enumerate hidden subdomains effectively.